That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, magic. That black yo, look at that black yo.
Hey kings and queens, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janisha for those who may not know, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you looks today. You know, this is my first time ever feeling like a grown woman doing my makeup. Like, I don't know if you can tell or not, but you know, I did a little highlight and contour, you know, with the face, and I'm really loving it. And yeah, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I get this look. And if you miss how I got this hairstyle in the last video, I'm going to leave it right here on one of these sides in the ID cards, so you can see how I did my twist. So yes, I'm gonna let you get into the video, and I just want to say in advance, thank you for watching it. And if you watch it all the way through the end, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the game, you know what I'm saying? So alright, let's hop on into this video. I'm just going to prime my eyelids with the concealer. Then I'm going to set them with some Laura Mercier setting powder. Alright, so the yellow was a fail. So let's try orange. Brown in the Zulu palette. This color right here. I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Alright, now we're going to go into the orange in the Zulu palette, which is this one right here. And then we're going to put Alright, now I'm going to take FOTD in the 35M palette, which is this like dark reddish, and I'm gonna use this orange as well in here, or I might even use this color as well. I just feel like it should have some kind of dimension, and it don't. So I'm gonna use one of those colors. I'm gonna use all those colors, matter of fact. I'm using the Kat Von D eyeliner, the only eyeliner that I got, to be honest. Oh no, I have a NYX eyeliner too. I'm actually gonna do my eyeliner off camera because it's not that great. So I'm back, y'all. Should my wing been as dramatic? Or no? It's too late. It's already like that, so it's gonna have to stay dramatic like that. I'm gonna fix it. I'll be back. I'm back. And y'all, that literally took me like 15 minutes just to do that. But I did mess up though. I messed up on one of my liners. I realized after I did the eyeliner thick that I didn't want it thick, but it was too late to erase it. So we rocking some thick ass. Well, it's not that thick, but I think it still look good, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in coconut. And I'm going to mix it with this liquid glow illuminator and primer. But first, I'm going to prime my face, god darn it. Oh shit. Forgot all. I'm going to use my Photo Finish Smashbox primer. I think I'm going to mix this liquid glow illuminator primer with my foundation to see if it really works, because I want to glow. I never have a glow when I do my makeup, and I don't know how to get a glow, so maybe this will work. I don't know if it's gonna work. Then I'm gonna take my Morphe, the flat top brush. Y'all look so weird because my neck is black, but my chest is the same color as my face. So, I don't know. Should I have a darker face because my neck, or should I have a lighter face because of my chest? The world may never know. But if somebody knows, tell me. But I think the illuminator worked though. So after 30 minutes of making sure your foundation is blended properly into your face. Y'all, on camera it looks so much lighter than it is on me, for really. Right. Alright you guys, so this is what this whole video is about right here. This is going to be my first time actually highlighting in contour. I'm not going to say contour because I contour all the time, but this is going to be my actually first time highlighting and contouring. And we're going to see how this goes because I never did it before because I don't know how. And I don't know how many shades how many shades lighter that your highlight's supposed to do, but I'm going to use the Colorpop No Filter Foundation Dark 46 for me. And we're going to see how this works. Hope this turn out well. If it don't, I'm still going to post a video because I'm a savage, that's why. Alright, let's go. Looking really childish, ain't I? Alright, and let's blend it out. They blend it out. Should I blend it out? I'm gonna blend it out with my I'm gonna do one side with the flat brush and one side with the beauty blender to see which way I like it. So what y'all think about this color though? Is it too light? Is it too dark? Alright, so the beauty blender is better as tea. Well, y'all, don't I look like a ghost? Let's keep going. Let's keep the train rolling. So I got some Black Radiance True Complexion setting powder, and we're gonna bake with that bad boy. You know what I'm saying? Cause so we're gonna keep on going. You know. Ooh. All right, and I'm gonna take the little pointy side of the beauty blender, and we're gonna set it. All right, while that's you know, settling in, I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette and contour. I didn't know about you. Take some setting powder and I'm going to set underneath my contour. I think I'm going to now dust off the setting powder. Normally I don't put my lashes on, but I'm going to put my lashes on off camera anyway. I'm just going to take this big old brush right here and I'm going to dust it off. Alright, I'm gonna take some setting spray. I don't know. I don't like it. So this is definitely not a tutorial. But we're gonna finish it. We're gonna finish this. Alright, y'all, I'm back and I put the lashes on, and the lashes I use is Robertson by Morphe. Those are the only lashes I could find. Unfortunately, I don't have no really expensive lashes, but those are the only lashes that I could find. So right now I'm gonna put some mascara on it. Revlon art pen and just putting some glitter at the bottom of my lid, just to add a little shum to the lid, just a little some. Alright, now I'm going to use that same orange and put it on my lower. My inner corners is this orange shimmery shade in the 35M palette. This shade right here. I'm gonna use that one for my inner corners, my inner tear duct area. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. At first I was like, this highlight and contour is not working. But then I went into another mirror in my mama room. Oh, and when my mama saw me, she was like, is that a bad bitch I see? No, I'm just playing. But she was like, it looks good. It looks good. And in her mirror, like her lighting in her restroom is so much better than mine. So it does look good. How it look? Because I think it looks pretty decent. Like, for my first time highlighting contour, I think it looks aight. I think it looks aight. This is the best. This is the best one yet. You feel me? This is the best one. Now it's highlight time. Bro, look, let me tell you. Sis, come on now, bitch. Look, let me tell you. Why do I feel like I'm grown? I just shocked myself. So I know I shocked y'all. Like, bro, look, I'm about to go show my mama, like, look, girl, look what I done did. Look what you done did, girl. Look what you done did. I look just like my mama too, bro. I normally don't look like her. If y'all don't think it look good, let me know, because I feel like I'm hyping myself up and thinking that it just looks, you know, decent, but girl, what? Okay, what? Alright, so y'all, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you watched it all the way through to see the ending look, I fucked with you. You're a real one, bro. You're a real one. Like, this is so, like, I hate that I'm not going nowhere. I hate that I'm not going nowhere tonight because